This quick video is about how to create and set up your YouTube handle. Okay, let's see that. First, on your PC or laptop, open Google Chrome. Then click here and YouTube. Yeah, here click on your logo. Then click your channel. Now here click customize channel. Here just click basic info. Yeah, here you can create your handle. Actually YouTube handle helps for creators and viewers to find their favorite channel easily. Okay, here enter your channel name so that your channel and videos can easily find by your viewers. I type TD Business. This name was already taken by some YouTube creator. So here I add numbers. Yeah, this name is available. And this is my unique YouTube custom URL. It's just youtube.com/tdbusiness2022. So that's why the name comes as YouTube handle. Okay, after you see this green tick, just click on publish. That's it. Now you successfully created your unique YouTube handle. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.